Hey everybody, this is Stephanie, and I am here to show you this appliance wipe. And I want to thank the people who sent it to me for my honest opinion, and I'm going to try to do that right now. So you see that is my microwave right there, and it's filthy, absolutely filthy. So I'm going to take one of the pads out right now. I did use a couple of them before, so I know it kind of works pretty well. So watch. You see how big the wipe is? It's not a little tiny thing. And it's moist. So I'm about to first try to clean up the outside of my microwave right there. And it was full of grease. As you can imagine, it's right over the stove and it's greasy. So, and my microwave itself is nasty. It is nasty. But I'm gonna show you what I'm doing there. Now let's get inside. And that door is nasty too. And it cleaned the door pretty nicely, I must say. That's one of those wipes. They're called appliance wipes. So my look at this. That's my uh, inside of my microwave. Filthy, 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 filthy. Yeah, it's nasty. So here we go. I'm gonna get what I can out of it and clean it. And if you're in a hurry, like you don't want to take out like a sponge and soap and that kind of stuff. You just want to get clean up kind of quickly. This is a good alternative, using some wipes like this to to get to clean up real quick. I don't have a lot of time. And folks come and use the microwave. They don't clean it out. They just use it. People use and never clean anything. So I don't have time for all of that. I just need to get it done. So I'm get it's cleaning pretty well actually. You know, I will be using uh a second one because this one is is done, and you see that's the second one. So I use the second one to continue to clean that up, and it's doing a really good job. It really is. So that's a tough little stain right there, but it comes off. It comes right off. Didn't take me that long to get this done. I had to stand on the chair because I'm short, but I had to get this done. So as you see, I'm cleaning it up pretty good there, and those little specks that came from I don't know what. When someone puts something in that microwave, I don't know what. The glass, I'm gonna actually throw that, wash that off real quick, but that's easy enough to do in the sink. But to clean the inside of that microwave is a little bit of a chore for me because I have to get on a ladder as it is to even get up there. So there we go. It's looking good to me. This stuff works pretty well. There we go. So that's what my microwave looks like on the outside. And what I'm showing you is it's got some goo actually up on the top. And it works on that too. And in the cabinets itself also got grease on it because they're right over there. And I just kept going. I just kept going using it to go ahead and clean it up since I was up there. And it cleaned up pretty well, I gotta say. There you go. It's the inside sparkling now. Looks good. I think this is a good product. And if you need anything like this, you know, just check it out.